Get ready to witness the unveiling of the most mind-boggling machine to date, the new Mac Studio M2 Ultra. Brace yourselves, because this technological marvel is about to redefine the limits of what you thought was possible. In a world where power and performance reign supreme, the Mac Studio M2 Ultra stands tall, defying all expectations. This is going to be one wild ride. Starting with design and hardware, shall we? The Mac Studio's design is a testament to Apple's unwavering commitment to minimalistic aesthetics. Its mesmerizing unibody aluminum casing stands tall at a mere height of 3.7 inches, weighing a sturdy 7.9 pounds. But don't let its sleek appearance fool you, this immovable powerhouse packs an extraordinary punch. Ports, and more ports. The Mac Studio doesn't hold back when it comes to connectivity. It boasts a generous offering of 6 Thunderbolt for USB-C ports, USB-A ports, HDMI connectivity, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a 10GB Ethernet port for lightning-fast networking, and an SD card slot for effortless data transfer. It's a true hub of possibilities, ready to connect you to your creative endeavors. But it's what's inside that truly sets the Mac Studio apart. Some jaw-dropping specifications. With memory options ranging from 32GB all the way up to a mind-boggling 192GB, and storage choices varying from 512GB to a staggering 8TB PCIe SSD, the Mac Studio holds nothing back. And under the hood, it's powered by the immensely potent M2 Max or M2 Ultra CPUs, further solidifying its position as a technological masterpiece. Trust me when I say, this machine means business. Now about performance. Get ready to be mesmerized. The Mac Studio is not here to play games, except when it comes to gaming, of course. This extraordinary machine boasts the remarkable ability to flawlessly handle an astounding 22 streams of 8K footage simultaneously. Can you even fathom the power? It's a dream come true for content creators, allowing them to unlock their true potential and take their work to unimaginable heights. But it's not just about the numbers. The Mac Studio offers a complete and immersive software experience that enhances your creativity and productivity. Powered by the mesmerizing macOS Ventura, it provides a familiar and efficient environment for your digital endeavors. One of the standout features of the Mac Studio is universal control. This innovative functionality takes productivity to new dimensions, allowing you to seamlessly move your mouse cursor between the Mac Studio and other compatible devices. Imagine effortlessly dragging and dropping files, copying and pasting text, and controlling multiple devices with a single mouse and keyboard. It's like magic at your fingertips, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time. And let's not forget about the seamless integration of Icloud. With the Mac Studio, all your cherished Apple devices come together in one harmonious ecosystem. Whether you're working on your Mac Studio, iPhone, or iPad, your files, settings, and even clipboard contents sync effortlessly across devices. Start a project on your Mac Studio, tweak it on your iPad while on the go, and put the finishing touches on your iPhone. It's all interconnected, making your creative process seamless and uninterrupted. Moreover, the Mac Studio's software prowess extends beyond its own capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with a myriad of professional applications, including Apple's renowned Final Cut Pro. This harmonious collaboration between hardware and software allows for unparalleled performance and smooth editing experiences. Your creative visions can come to life effortlessly, as the Mac Studio handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. It's the way it dances gracefully on the mesmerizing macOS Ventura, providing a seamless and efficient software experience. Universal control and Icloud integration add an extra layer of convenience and connectivity, enabling you to work seamlessly across devices. The Mac Studio truly embodies the synergy between hardware and software, empowering you to unlock your full creative potential. Who should consider the Mac Studio? Without a shred of doubt, it's meticulously tailored to meet the aspirations of true creative professionals who demand nothing short of exceptional power and performance. If you find yourself immersing in the awe-inspiring realms of 3D graphics, the Mac Studio's immense processing power and graphics capabilities will empower you to bring your visions to life with astonishing detail and realism. Render complex scenes, simulate physics, and create breathtaking visual effects without compromising on speed or quality. For those crafting professional audio masterpieces, the Mac Studio offers an unparalleled audio production environment. Its powerful CPUs and ample memory ensure smooth playback, effortless multi-track recording, and seamless plug-in integration. Dive deep into your audio track, mix with precision, and master your tracks to perfection, all while experiencing minimal latency and maximum responsiveness. If your passion lies in meticulously editing high-resolution videos, the Mac Studio is a true game-changer. Its remarkable performance capabilities allow for flawless playback and smooth scrubbing of even the most demanding footage. Seamlessly edit multiple streams of 8K content, apply complex effects in real time, and export your projects with incredible speed. The Mac Studio's hardware and software integration, combined with optimized applications like Final Cut Pro, ensure that your editing experience is nothing short of extraordinary. However, it's essential to consider your specific needs and budgetary constraints before diving into this technological marvel. While the Mac Studio offers unrivaled power and performance, it comes with a premium price tag. If your creative tasks primarily involve everyday activities such as web browsing, word processing, or light photo editing, there are more cost-effective alternatives available, such as the M2 or M2 Pro MacBook Pro models. These options can still provide excellent performance while being more aligned with your budget. Ultimately, the Mac Studio is a masterpiece engineered to meet the demands of true creative professionals. It excels in empowering artists, designers, and video editors to push the boundaries of their craft. However, it's crucial to evaluate your specific requirements, the intensity of your creative work, and your financial considerations before making a decision. The Mac Studio is a gateway to unparalleled power and performance, but finding the perfect balance between capability and affordability is key. In the grand tapestry of technological marvels, the Mac Studio effortlessly stands at the pinnacle. Its awe-inspiring performance, extensive port selection, and exquisite design combine to create an irresistible allure for those seeking unparalleled excellence. But remember, it may not be the optimal choice for everyone. So, take a moment to contemplate your requirements before venturing into the realm of this extraordinary machine. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of the Mac Studio. If you found this video informative and engaging, we kindly request your support through likes, shares, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for a myriad of awe-inspiring tech reviews and enlightening content. And as always, keep your senses attuned to the latest updates in the ever-evolving world of technology.